Kshitij's lawyer Satish Manishinde has claimed that the Narcotics Bureau forced his client to falsely implicate Karan Johar and other top officials of Dharma Productions. Manishinde said that Kshitij refused to comply with NCB's demands. He was forced to sign a statement. We are talking about Kshitij Prasad, who is a former associate of Karan Johar in Dharma Production, who worked with Dharma Production, and he's being questioned with regards to drug consumption in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Kshitij's lawyer has now added that NCB's treatment towards him was severely traumatizing for his client. Mayuresh is joining us live on this. Mayuresh, so this is a new development, a new statement that has come in. Kshitij is making some strong allegations that he was coerced to implicate Karan Johar, that he was treated unfairly and traumatized. What are you picking up on this?
Satish Manishinde is the senior advocate and who's basically representing Kshitij and Rhea Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti. He has leveled allegation against NCB that NCB forced Kshitij to name Karan Johar in his confessional statement to the NCB. When the Kshitij denied that, Manishinde had said that when Kshitij denied it, Kshitij was made to sit on the floor and he was given ill treatment, and even he was blackmailed by the NCB officials. So that's why Manishinde has basically given this statement, and he had basically said these things in the court also, that how his client Kshitij Prasad was basically humiliated, and how he was asked by all the NCB officials who were present during his interrogation, during his questioning, to name Karan Johar and few other officials from the Dharma Production in the drug case.
Okay, you wanted... Okay. Thanks, Mayuresh, for joining us. Well, meanwhile, Narcotics Control Bureau officials held a meeting in Mumbai regarding the 2019 video of Karan Johar that Mayuresh was just referring to. In this July 2019 video that Karan Johar himself had shared on social media, one can see a small house party which was attended by top Bollywood stars. Dispelling speculations over this video, filmmaker Karan Johar issued a statement saying that he refutes all the allegations that have been leveled against him, saying there was no drugs consumed in that party.